cap. And it smells nice too. Okay. Tights. Regular black tights. She cute. Oh, now she ready. Let me show you my back part now. Like, girl. Like, girl. What that donkey? What she done? That donkey cute. Do not cute. Someone did a Johnny Caleb. This is so cute. Look at me. Okay, so I'm gonna take some pictures. This is a tutorial for today. Color lip gloss. Baby boy, baby boy, baby boy, baby boy, baby boy, yeah, 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 yeah. So come on, Malcolm. Girl in a tight up skirt. Find me, we'll show you what me worth. What you say?
She said maybe press this when you go down. Maybe press it and that come up.
No, because you have to go scroll down till the Netflix something come up.
Oh.
Yeah, so that wouldn't work. You shouldn't pause it. Are you pause it?
No, it's still till it goes up.
No, but something was playing.
Yes, and it's still.
Alright, it look like the series, the episode that must have got done.
Alright. Watch TV, your part. That's you have to watch TV.
Alright, so the babies are asleep. I'm going to have a look something to eat. So hungry. Mama, I go back Claudia go take a bread here. I go back Claudia go take a bread. Mama, me. Okay, good morning guys. So I'm going to be taking the NUME today and the energy. Excuse me, and I'm going to save the tea for later for when I'm actually going to be eating. So the energy first. And then this is the sample pack I got of the energy. I took one yesterday. I'm going to take one now because I'm going to be going to the gym earlier today and not as late as I did yesterday. So yeah, so as I said, to get the TLC stuff, you can just go ahead and click the link in my bio. I'm all ready for the gym. I can show you guys what I'm looking like, but when I get to the gym, I'm just really excited with how my body's looking. My tummy is flattening out. Okay, good morning guys. I'm going to be taking the NUME today and the energy. Excuse me, I'm going to save the tea for later for when I'm actually going to be eating. Alright, so every single day I post on my LyricRochester page. So these next clips are just me posting on my page, but I recorded it for you guys. And it's about my experience with the TLC products so far. So what I've found is that my tummy is definitely flattening out. I had about 4 bowel movements yesterday, which is normal because I drank 4 teas. So I'm going to be scaling back on the teas. So I'm going to be doing probably 2, like the recommended 2 teas per day. But I just love the taste of the purple one. The green one and I realized last night because I drank the green one by itself. So the green one tastes like real tea, like tea bag tea, but with no sugar. Ew. So my tummy is flattening out. I woke up to a flat tummy this morning, which is not usually the case. Usually I'm very bloated, and when I eat certain things I do get bloated, like rice. I get bloated on rice and peanuts, and there's something else, but and peanut butter, all the peanut butter. What else have I noticed? I've also noticed that, hold on, I'm so calm. So what I found is I've also cravings. Yeah, cravings, you guys. I have a really big sweet tooth, and since taking the TLC stuff, my sweet tooth is not as overpowering. I have not had, I was telling you I started to make a story last night and I deleted it. So I have not had a kiss cake or a bliss in a whole week. In the entire week that I've been doing the TLC stuff, I have not had a kiss cake or a bliss, and I love kiss cake and I love bliss. I love chocolate in general, and I have not had that since I've been taking the TLC stuff. I don't know which one of them helps with curbing like a sweet tooth cravings, but I've been taking the NutriBurst and the tea, so I'm going to assume it's the NutriBurst because the NutriBurst kind of sweet. So maybe it is taking the sweet spot. I don't know, but I have not had that, and I know a lot of us out there struggle with eating crap. Yeah, the thing is, you guys, some of us can afford the gym, can afford a trainer, and let's be honest, can afford the tasty stuff, because the tasty stuff is not cheap at all. It's quite a pretty penny. So whatever you want to do for your health and your wellness, it's going to take a bit of sacrifice. I did not go to the gym last week, yeah, because it's a the tasty stuff, but more so because I didn't have the money to go to the gym. So some money presented itself, and I've made it a priority to go to the gym because of how much I need it. And when I say I need the gym, people think it's another thing that, I say, but it really helps me on a personal level. On a disciplinary level, it helps me. I've shared a lot on social media, but there are a lot of things that I've reserved for myself because I reserve the right to do that. And I understand making sacrifice, and I understand not being able to afford something that you want. I get it. But I'm sharing with you everything that I've always shared with you. So me sharing. The thing is, you guys, product trade. Yeah, I've always shared with you what I'm doing to lose weight, and I've been doing that for years. I've been taking Teami for years, and for me, Teami does work, but as I said, I'm very extra. So them say make the tea bag soak for 2 to 3 minutes, my one soak for like 2 to 4 hours. I even have my tea bag soaking overnight. I've even done 2 tea bags, and the bowel movement I get with the TLC is nothing in comparison to any other detox tea that I've had. Not even ballerina, and ballerina hard. Ballerina can be making shit out of tripe, but the bowel movement that I've been having, and granted, I think it's because I've been doing 4 teas a day, so I'm going to scale back. Because again, my optimum goal is not weight loss, it's more fat loss, and also I need to build muscle based on the body type that I want, or the body type that we're working on. But yeah, I understand, and I'm just sharing what I'm doing. And Yeah, I've always wait. So sharing with you what I'm doing, and at the moment I'm doing TLC. As of now, I'm doing TLC, and as I saw this morning, I took the energy, and there's a full new pack that I pulled, and I took one yesterday and today, and I'm going to take one for tomorrow. Yesterday I did the gym later, and I was like, wow, I'm gonna need a pre-workout because I took this early in the morning, so I'm going to take it closer to my training time because I'm going to go to the gym at about 8:30. Now it's about 6:15, so I'm going to see if that helps. I didn't sleep yesterday though, and it, you know, it says it gives you energy, so I didn't sleep, so maybe, you know, that's like a good thing or whatever. But you know, I'm still testing it out, and I'm testing it out for you guys, I'm testing it out for me. Yes, I'll be joining because it's also a business opportunity for me as well. And just like with TLC, how I used to have my code with TLC, it's the same thing. The only thing is it's TLC is more lucrative. I think half, like say if you buy something for $20, like me get $10 and them get $10. I think that's what it is. So sharing with what I stopped vlogging yesterday because I was inappropriately dressed at home, so I couldn't bother deal with that. So blood cleanse. So what I'm going to do now is just pack out my stuff. I have my alcohol because headphones. What else? Oh, my phone. Okay, so just prepping my phone. Okay. So now I'm going to go warm up, but not for long, and then come back to you guys. Hey, I'm right here, Papa. All right. So I'm actually recording this look, and I have 2 more videos I have to do. I'm going to do what's in my gym bag, and I'm also going to be doing a Q&A. So I have to try and put him back to bed. We're taking some pictures, and hopefully this works. So filmed 2 videos, this tutorial, a full face tutorial, and a Q&A video, Instagram Q&A video. Now I'm going to be filming a what's in my gym bag for you guys, and I want to include it in the vlog. So I am going to be speaking softly because Charlie is sleeping right behind me. So first of all, I always travel. Well, recently I've been traveling with my vlogging camera, which is what I'm filming with right now. Let me show you guys what you guys look like. So I travel with you guys, and I travel with you guys on this tripod. So that's you guys. Yeah, so I travel with my camera, my vlogging camera, and the tripod to the gym. This is my gym bag. It's a Gymshark gym bag, you guys. If you don't know by now, I love Gymshark. So it starts with what's on the outside of the bag. I forgot to put in my earrings because they look cute. Okay guys, it is now Saturday morning. I have rehearsals, praise and worship rehearsals, so that's where I'm heading to. Praise and worship. rehearsals. You put it on your teeth right here.
I know my silly tea all the time.
Bye. Can I go for a chair and come sit down right here, so please? Sit down beside me over here. Walk that way. And go for a chair.
Kevin too?
No, Jonathan. Go for another chair.
Focus not up.
Hold it with both hands. Drink. Desire, Lord, here's my life. Lord, here's my life. Oh, Lord, here's my life.
Alright, ready? Verse. If the altar's where you meet us, take me there, take me there. If you're looking for an offering, it's right here. My life is here. I'll be your living.
Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire. Purified. You take whatever you desire. Lord, here's my life.
We start from the top. Here we go. Start from the top. Not refined, but chasing onto you. Play me from after this. C. Oh, thanks.
Yes.
The ball.
Everybody have the lyrics? Ready? Lord is my shepherd. He goes for me. So really nice. Sit properly, please. Defender behind me. Defender behind me. Nice. I won't fear. Nice.
Familiarize yourself with the songs, familiarize yourself with the parts, as much as possible, even if you can make sense of it, and you need to clear it up when you come to rehearsal, that's perfectly fine. You don't have to get it right at home, but there has to be some amount of routine, when you are away by yourself. Father, that we know that the pandemic right now that is, currently being faced, and God, we just want to publicly declare that we trust you, and we believe in you, Lord, and we know that in spite of everything that's going on, mighty God, that now that you are in control, even in the chaos, mighty God, you are still in control, mighty God. You are the God that spoke to the winds, mighty God, and said it's mistake. And we still believe you that you can do that in this current day, mighty God. So
We need to prevent corona. Nobody know that. Angelina Ball. I'm not taking him. Not taking him. Nothing to do with him. He's being carried. He's being taken by a pretty girl. She's not even ugly. Like my Adam, she ugly. I true come. She don't ugly. She look good. Blood cleanse nearly drop. My next step in feces, Papi.
Yes, Papi.
Blood cleanse. Can open up trunk, please? Oh, NVM. People of God, sing hallelujah.
Because the truth is, what happens is that the compensation financially not enough. So I think you know some form of other benefits if I make the use skills then that's it.
What's next? So how much we talking? Really?
We need organizational help. When people live together, 6th month of Elizabeth's pregnancy, God sent the angel Gabriel to Nazareth, a town in Galilee, to a virgin pledged to be married to a man named Joseph, a descendant of David. The virgin's name was Mary. The angel went to her and said,
once again, good morning to you all. Glad that you guys are here and safe and sound. Oh, I'm chasing after you, no matter what I am, 'cause I need you more and more. I'm chasing after you, no matter what I have to do, 'cause I need you more and more. Oh, I'm chasing more and Lord, you are awesome. Sing it to me. Lord, you are awesome. Lord, you are awesome.
You know, sometimes people say, no man, you have to be forced to do it, or God. No, even if God tell you, you still have to make a decision.
True, yeah.
You don't have to. So the fact that you are obedient, it's right to you. Was shut up because of the children of Israel. For us today, for us in this nation, it is the reverse. That which was the epitome of wickedness and death, it was shut up because of the righteousness in Israel that surrounded it. Jericho was on lockdown because a righteous nation was about to confront it.